So I'm gonna do my hair and makeup on camera. I never done both at the same time, so I wish I have this shirt. I'm not sure about the shirt, but okay. So yeah, I'm gonna do my hair and my makeup. So I want to do like vintage curls or something like that. Everybody says this hair is like Jessica Rabbit, so I want to do like, you know, those kind of curls, like vintage vibes, you know. So I'm just gonna use my curling wand. I have my curling wand here. So I'm gonna just use that, and I'm gonna see, I'm just gonna first section off the front pieces. I'll go with you. Wrap them around the barrel going upward. Take it. So this is how it looks when I'm done. Alright, so I'm going to let these set for a few minutes, and now I'm going to start to take the pins out. I'm going to save that part for last. So what I'm going to do now is I'm going to take some holding spray. This is Rust Weightless Hairspray, strong hold. So I'm just going to spray a little bit. This is the most important part. This is how I'm gonna make the way. I'm just gonna brush it, back brush it, back brush it, back brush it, set my wave here. You see that right there? Very pink color. So I'm gonna just take a fluffy blending brush from Wet n Wild, right? This is the next color that I'm using. It's like a burgundy color. It's called Bitten. It's by Makeup Geek. So I'm gonna put that underneath the pink. Here's Euphoria. I'm gonna use that. Like, I'll take this one. I'm just gonna apply it like on the outer corner. In the crease. I'm a little annoyed. Well, I'm not annoyed, I'm disappointed. I had got a sample of the Fenty foundation because I wanted to try it. So I was going to try it in this video. But I had the wrong shade. That was kind of annoying. I picked up 370 because it looked closest to my foundation shade. But it was like a lot lighter than it looked in the bottle on my face. I didn't really like it. Too bright. Alright, so now I'm just gonna bronze my face. I'm gonna bronze my face with my FITMe powder. Alright, so at this point, I'm gonna finish off my eyes. So I'm using this black gel glide pencil from LA Girl in my waterline. I'm gonna take those, I'm gonna use those brown shades right here. Just to smoke, you know? And then, I don't know what I'm saying, but y'all know what I'm saying. Right, and then what I'm gonna do is for my inner corner, what color do I want for my inner corner? I'm thinking about using this really bright yellow gold right there. See how that looks. I'm nervous. I don't know about this. Alright. Actually, I changed my mind. I'm gonna use like the whitish, the champagne color gold. Good cool, girl. You're about to mess this whole thing up. These are the lashes I'm using today. They're called Bella. So I'm just gonna highlight my face while I'm waiting. I'm using my Bobbi Brown Bronze Glow. Hoppin'. Hoppin', look at that. Yo! Ooh. Now the last thing I'm going to do is my lips. I'm using my favorite lip liner from NYX. This is Toast. So I'm going to line my lips with Toast. Now I'm going to use my liquid lipstick. This is in the color Limbo. It looks red in the tube, but it's really like a dark brown. Let me know how you guys think I did. If you like this tutorial, please give it a thumbs up.